Hey, I'm Mary, and I'm taking over the Nutrition Cooking Lab today. I am making easy mac and cheese with broccoli. For all ingredients today, we need cheese, whole grain mac and cheese, optional garlic powder, broccoli, and water. All right, let's get started. We're gonna put the noodles in and then the water in too. So now we're gonna microwave for 8 minutes, and at the 5-minute mark, we're gonna put in our broccoli. So let's get started. Be careful, it's hot. Now we're gonna add the broccoli. And you're gonna add a little of water because it's dry. And you're gonna add a little more broccoli. And a little more water. And stir it up to make sure it's all in there. To make things easier, you can buy pre-cut broccoli at the store. And now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes or until the broccoli is soft. We're gonna add a little water because it's a little dry. And then we're gonna add cheese to it too. We're gonna mix the cheese a little bit and put it back in the microwave until the cheese is melted. We are using fat-free cheese, so it makes it a little bit healthier. So all we have to do now is use a little pepper and garlic powder, and then we'll be done. A dish like this is good for college students for a quick snack. It's high in fiber and it has protein in it too. All right, thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.